Headlines because it asked people to sign waivers before attending the big rally he's having in Oklahoma this weekend. But they're far from alone. Now all kinds of businesses, from hair salons to gyms, are asking people to sign waivers saying they won't sue if they get coronavirus. So I wanted to bring in someone to talk about this. Here's defense attorney Chip Merlin. I saw that you've got a lot of great nicknames, like the Master of Disaster. You try to help people figure out these types of things. What is your opinion about these waivers for coronavirus?
Well, I mean, people are trying to get out of the possibility of being sued, and I can understand businessmen being concerned that if somebody catches it, they're going to be in a lawsuit, possibly a frivolous lawsuit, because don't kid yourself, these are going to be very, very difficult cases to prove, because somebody would have to prove they caught it from somebody who happened to be in the business and that the business itself was negligent. They're very novel cases would be brought, but a lot of business people right now are concerned. They've already been denied by the insurance companies, saying there is no coverage for your business income loss, but there's also not coverage for your liability policy either if somebody were to sue you for it. So businesses are quite concerned about this, and this is the reason why you're finding a lot of people now asking their customers to sign these waivers of liability forms.
So for a consumer, would you recommend that if your hair salon says you got to sign this waiver before you come in, should you just go ahead and sign it?
I don't know. As a lawyer, I tell people never to sign away their rights to almost anything. The truth of the matter, almost all the waivers I've looked at so far, including President Trump's, are not going to prevent somebody from filing a lawsuit because they just don't come up to the level that the courts require. Courts don't favor these types of contracts. They want to hold people accountable if they've been negligent or not acting reasonable, so they've never been favored. And the truth of the matter is, you can ask for this. Do you want to scare away your customer? Would a customer want to go ahead and sign it anyway? Just asking a customer to sign it is not good customer relations.
But, okay, so then what about businesses that are anxious about opening up, getting the economy back going, but they're concerned that they will be on the hook for possible frivolous lawsuits? Should something be done to help protect them?
Well, certainly that's the topic in Congress right now, in the Chamber of Commerce, and there are many other business organizations that are pushing this at the federal level, that there ought to be some type of immunity given if somebody catches the virus at a business and things like that. And they're talking about it for first responders as well as at hospitals, especially, who have to take care of people like that. The truth of the matter, this has usually been a state-by-state issue. In most states, for employers, you get immunity if your employees, through workers' compensation, you get immunity if your employees happen to get sick there. They're trying to change the law now at the national level rather than let the states do it. I seriously doubt it's going to happen. And I also seriously doubt that we're going to find many lawsuits being filed about this. It is a very difficult proof to go make.
It's good to get some straight talking from someone. Thank you, Chip Merlin. We appreciate it.